Is it that good, dude?
Huh?
Is it that good?
Yeah, and it's fresh. Like, it came out fresh because I got it. Like the seafood that I go to, the seafood place where I go to, it opens at 4:15. No, 4 o'clock, and it's 4:15, and it's so fresh and it tastes so good.
What time is it for you?
4:15 p.m.
What the heck, dude? It's
We're a
12.
day
It's
ahead of you.
12 a.m. for me.
Is it the
Yeah.
13th?
Yeah. Dude, it's 12 a.m. for me.
Oh my god!
You know I'm recording, right? I don't think you heard me.
Bro, I dropped the seafood on my bloody shirt and it's white.
I'm recording this.
Ow.
For my
Now
Omni
I'm in
quiz.
a bad mood. Okay, hold on.
Dude.
Okay, I'm back.
Right.
Oh,
Bro, what was that?
Bleh.